guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. I'm sorry for the lighting. It keeps focusing on the light behind me. But today we're going to be making some caterpillars. This is what they look like. It can vary in size depending on the size of yarn you use. This is a size 5, and I believe this is a size 6. So yeah, I'll go through the whole entire process with you guys. I hope it's detailed enough for you. Just give me tips and tricks or whatever to improve my videos in the comments if you can. If you notice, there's a change of scenery. I've been moving for the past couple months, and what are we thinking of the place? I might have to show a little tour. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get to the video. To start, we are going to be doing 8 single crochet in a magic ring. Then do 8 increase to make it 16. Then do single crochet increase to make that 24. Next up is 2 single crochet increase to make that 32. And then from for the next 4 rows, you're going to be doing 32 single crochet. I decrease to make that 24. Last, you're going to be doing single crochet decrease to make that 16. Start on a single crochet increase. Make sure you color change to whatever color you want to, and then end on a single crochet decrease. And then that's going to be the same for the next 2. So 2 middle ones, 2 different colors, or unless you want to make it all the same color, that's all up to you. To be a little more specific, the middle 2 is going to be single crochet increase, 2 single crochet increase, 4 rounds of 32 single crochet, 2 single crochet decrease, and then single crochet decrease. You're going to do that twice. the end is about the same too. It's starting with single crochet increase to make that 24. Next is 2 single crochet increase to make it 32. Don't forget to stuff it up. Then you're going to be doing 4 rounds of 32 single crochet. After that, you're going to do 2 single crochet decrease to make that 24. And then you're going to do single crochet decrease to make it 16. Stuff it up once more. And for the last row, it's going to be 8 decrease to make it 8. Sew it shut, and then you are ready to start the antennas. To make the antenna, you're just going to sew directly on the plushie. It's going to be chain 3, and then you just single crochet down the chain. I like to sew it at the bottom to make sure it's tied in there well and won't come off. Then just repeat it on the other side. Next up is the legs. There's going to be 6 of them. There are going to be 3 different colors, so 2 of each color, which will be the 2 middle and the back. So to make these, you're going to start with 6 single crochet in a magic ring, and then you'll be doing single crochet increase to make that 9. And then you just sew that on wherever you think looks right. I think I did it about 7 rows apart from each other, right on the bottom, so it all stood when I put the plushie down. So all the legs were in a row, and they weren't like lopsided or anything, they were just straight. And just like that, you're done. Okay, here are the end results. I hope you guys like this pattern. I do make all my patterns, and right now I am writing down all of my patterns, and I'll be selling a book of it, like with all the patterns, and then I'll also be selling copies of just single patterns that you guys can buy. If I know the video gets a little confusing sometimes, so hopefully this will help you out. If you guys are interested, I am selling, there's this one from Hungry Caterpillar, this one, just a blue one, and then we also have this one. So if any of you are interested, just let me know. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye!